Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 3rd, and this is my recap of the top rated videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, definitely very corrective still. Not really a whole lot of price action today. Very overlapping, very rangy markets for sure. I still definitely think this is a wave A. I still think at some point it's going to go down and make a wave B. Whether it actually goes up and grabs this liquidity or not, I guess is the question before it actually does make that push down for what I still think is going to be an A, a B, and a C correction, probably down to the 78% of this last impulsive move up before we potentially get that bigger push up for the bigger wave C. We got a Powell speech tomorrow, and we have non-farm payroll on Friday. So I think by the end of the week, or maybe tomorrow, hopefully the markets will pick up some steam. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.